Hey there, everyone! Are you looking for ways to keep your mind and body healthy while also earning some extra cash? Look no further, here are some fun and exciting ways to do just that. First up, consider offering virtual fitness classes. With the rise of online fitness studios and platforms, you can offer a variety of classes, such as yoga, Pilates, HIIT, and more. You can even create your own virtual class and share it with your audience. Not only will you get to stay fit, but you'll also earn money while doing it. Next, if you're a fan of outdoor activities, consider offering guided hikes or bike rides. You can partner with a local hiking or bike tour company or create your own itinerary and share it with your customers. This is a great way to get outside, explore nature, and earn some extra cash at the same time. If you're really looking to get your exercise routine in, why not host a virtual workout party? You can invite your friends and family to join you for a virtual workout, complete with music, workout equipment, and even snacks and beverages. This is a fun way to get together with loved ones while staying active and earning some extra cash. Finally, if you're an experienced fitness trainer or instructor, consider offering online coaching or mentorship services. You can work with individuals or groups to help them achieve their fitness goals through one-on-one sessions or online courses. This is a great way to use your expertise and knowledge to earn money while helping others. So there you have it, folks! Fun ways to be earning and staying mentally fit. Whether you're offering virtual fitness classes, guided hikes, virtual workout parties, or online coaching or mentorship services, there's something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start earning today. Please like and subscribe.